loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do a quick unboxing. So I picked up this two Dior items. It's a bag and flats. But before we get started, you know the deal. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you check me out on Instagram right here. So whenever I'm not on YouTube, I'm always posting on Instagram for any outfit details, fashion, lifestyle, beauty. You can find it on my blog right here. And of course, let's get this started. This is gonna be quick. This is gonna be a quick one. These items, especially the bag, I've always had my eye on the bag, but for some reason each time I get really close to buying it, I end up buying something else. So finally I decided to just go for it, and let's check it out. And let's start with I think this is the bag. Honestly, I haven't opened it since I got it. So this is, as I'm opening it, as you're seeing it, I'm seeing it myself. So let's see what it looks like. Hopefully I love it. Hopefully I love the color I picked. Can you guess what color I picked? Can you guess? Drum roll. Well, let's get this started. So this is Dior. Let's unbox this. I haven't even seen what's inside, so scratch my neck. So this is the bag. It comes in this pouch. Oh my gosh, I'm already in love with the color. Oh my god, I don't know, for some reason I'm just loving a lot of shades of green lately. I don't know what it is, but if you saw my unboxing of my last Chanel bag that I bought, it's also a shade of green. Her name is Sage, so she's gonna need a name. So if you know a name, drop it in comment. But anyways, this is a beauty. Oh my gosh. So this is the color. Can you see it? Oh my god, I just in love with the color. And let's see, so this is tied up here. Oh wow. So this is what it looks like. So this is in the same color as the bag. The little key pieces here, the same color as the bag. This is the mini. This is the mini. Of course, they came out with the micro, but I wanted to get the mini. I was contemplating whether I should get the mini or the small, but I said, okay, I'll get the colored one in the mini, and then next time I might get the black one in a small. But I think I still like this size, so I might end up going for the black one in this size. Who knows? But I have my eyes on the black and the red color, so those are probably on my next list. So this is what it has. This flap over here. Oh, what is this? Let's see. I don't know, what is this. I guess this is just a booklet. Let's see. Yeah, this is just, I'm not sure what is it. Yeah, this seems like just a booklet that is inside this pouch. It comes inside this. So this was inside the bag. So, but anyways, I'm more concerned about the bag. So this is what the inside looks like. It can fit a phone, which I really don't buy my bag measuring if it can fit a phone or not, because 99.9% of the time I have my phone on my hand, so I don't really put it inside here. So it has, it's small but not too small. I think it can fit a phone and a small wallet, and it has a zip right there. And it came with this code number in there. It's pretty cute. It's very soft. Love it. Love the color. And yeah, voila. So this, I am in love. Love the color, just amazing. So let's see. I almost forgot that it came with a strap. I was like, where's the strap? But there we go. I'm about to dump all these things on the floor. So this is the strap. Oops. Gotta get this out of here. Oh, come on now. Oh, this is the strap. This is cute. This is cute. So this is a strap so you can carry it. Oh gosh. So you can carry it like, where does this go? You can tell I just got it. I haven't looked at it, so as I'm doing it, I'm almost like figuring it out at the same time if my nails. So let me put the strap on. So you can kind of wear it as a strap with your strap if you want to, or you can. So let's put this down. So this is what it looks like. Love the color. I just wanted to do something that is not black or beige again, which I usually go for, but so this is what it looks like. Love this. Still have to take out all the wrappers around it, but let me put this away. Put this right here. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the link of the one I got in my description, and this is the strap. This is it with the strap. So you can kind of wear it as a crossbody if you want to. Let me stand up. So this is, let me come a little closer. This is what it looks like. And I'm 5'7" ¾ So this is what it looks like if you want to wear it as a crossbody. It's right below my hips area, right here. So I like it. And for evening date, I probably would just hold on to it like this. So this is it for this one. So let me unbox the next thing so that we don't. So the next item I also picked up as another Dior. So let's get this opened. I'm gonna waste my time trying to untie this because. Okay. This, can you guess what it is? It's a flask. I'm like excited trying to see it at the same time I'm opening it because I haven't seen it yet. Oh shit, so pretty. So this is it. This is what I picked. Love. What definitely caught my attention is the designs right here. Love the designs. Love the colors. It's just pretty. Can you see it? I wear a 40, so this is a 40. It's a 40. Love it. Let's make sure it fits true to size because I usually wear a 40. So yeah, fits true to size. I don't know if you can see, but. Oops. I know that's kind of weird trying to show you, but it fits true to size. Really does fit true to size. Maybe I will do a styling video on how I wore it or on how I styled the bag in my next video. But yes, it's feels comfortable. I've bought Dior heels before, but never the flat. So this fits good. Fits true to size. I wear a 40, so I got a 40. So yeah. So this is my unboxing. This is a quick unboxing. And all the link of what I got will be in the description. Let me know what you think. And here's a close-up of, gosh, just stay behind. Here's a close-up of the shoe. And honestly, this is the first time I'm seeing all the items. I bought it when I was on, prior to when I went on vacation, and I kind of missed it. So now I finally got to see it. I wanted to take it on my vacation, but it didn't get here on time. But here it is. So these are my newest babies. I have this, and I have this. So, love, 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 love. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Let me know your thoughts. If you're a fan of Lady Dior, let me know which one do you have, which color should I get next. I'm thinking black or maybe red. And I love this shoe. Definitely gonna be adding more of these flats to my collection because it's pretty comfortable. It's pretty comfortable. Anyways, thank you for watching. For more of me, you can find me on Instagram right here, and make sure you follow me on my blog for all fashion, beauty, and lifestyle posts. Until next time, I will see you later.